Everyone, it's your friend Ask Anything, and how are you all? So in this video, let's discuss about zombie viruses and can a human become a zombie. पहले बात करते हैं कि zombie क्या होते हैं. तो अगर मैं अपने ब्रेन के ऊपर कंट्रोल खो दूंगा तब मैं अपने आप को ऑब्वियसली zombie बुला सकूंगा. हाँ, बुला सकता हूँ अपने आप को zombie अगर मैं अपने आप ने ऊपर कंट्रोल नहीं कर पाऊंगा. तो इसको एग्जाम्पल के हेल्प से समझते हैं. सपोज एन एंट इज सर्चिंग फॉर फूड. So there is a fungus which infect ants and it take the control and it controls the brain of that ant. Okay, so for example, an ant is searching for food and it walks over that fungus. So that fungus will attach itself to the body of that ant and slowly and steadily it will grow on that ant only and it will take the control of the brain of that ant. So now what will happen next? तो जो फंगस जो एंट के ब्रेन के ऊपर कंट्रोल किया था वो उसको इंस्ट्रक्शन देगा एंट को कि वो एक लीफ के ऊपर चली जाए और अपने जॉ से उस लीफ को पकड़ ले. तो व्हाट विल हैपन नेक्स्ट, द एंट विल प्रोबेबली डाई बिकॉज एंट विल नॉट गेट एनी फूड. सो फंगस विल ऑल्सो एंड नो, दिस विल बी अ न्यू बिगिनिंग फॉर दैट फंगस. द मोटिव ऑफ दैट फंगस वॉज टू किल द एंट and it succeeded. So now it will grow spores and it will spread more and more to another ants. So now let's talk about humans. So there is one virus, Ebola virus. So we are listening that coronavirus is also from bats. So why many viruses are coming from bats? Because the protein which is there in plasma membrane is CD16D or Na2. So the almost same protein is also there in the humans. That is why many viruses can come from bats to the humans. Now let's talk about Ebola virus. So if we will get Ebola virus, so the blood will come out from every opening of our body. Every opening, blood will come out. Okay, so now let's talk about how a virus gets into our body. So let's consider an apartment. Okay, so an apartment has many flats, or we can say many rooms, and these rooms are locked, let's suppose. So these locked rooms are plasma membrane. So we know that plasma membrane is semi-permeable. What is semi-permeable? It allows only selective substance to enter the cell. So these locked doors are plasma membrane. Now suppose the thief knows how to open that lock. First watch this video. So let's take a look on this. See, there's a chain in the DNA or plasma membrane. So it is the lock of that plasma membrane which we are supposing to be the lock of that building. And this is just a small example. And it is the key of that virus. So it contains many letters and it also contains many letters. So see, B, F, H, F, A. So almost all the virus can decode this and it can enter through this opening. Okay, so now let's continue. Okay, so if the virus have the same code and it will be able to crack that code of our plasma membrane. So now the virus will get into our body, or we can say it will get into our cell and it will get access to the nuclear material and the virus will attach its nuclear material. In case of coronavirus, it is RNA or ribonucleic acid, and in our body DNA is present, deoxyribonucleic acid. So it will attach its genetic material and it will manipulate the cell. So now what will happen? The cell will create infinite copies of that virus. So now the body of our cell is completely manipulated and it is under the control of that virus. So now the cell will create the copies of that virus because the virus has manipulated that cell. So now after creating I can say millions of viruses, the cell will burst and the virus will get released. So now one virus can create millions of copies. So millions of virus can create billions and trillions of copies. So that's how COVID-19 virus or SARS virus, severe acute respiratory syndrome, the full form of SARS. So this is how COVID-19 virus infects us. So now it will completely depend on our immune system कि उस वायरस को हम लोग भगा पाते हैं कि नहीं भगा पाते हैं. तो अब बात आती है कि पहले क्यों नहीं किया उस वायरस को कुछ. because that was an unidentified virus. और जिससे पहले कि बॉडी उससे आइडेंटिफाई होता उसके लिए अपनी एंटीबॉडीज बनाता, उससे पहले ही उस सेल ने अपना काम कर दिया. COVID-19 has an advantage also because of its spikes. So now what will happen if you will take a vaccine? So I am going to further little to COVID-19, but let's discuss what will happen if we will take a vaccine. So now if we will take a vaccine, so vaccine injects same copies of that virus, but it is dead or weakened and cannot do any harm. In some people, some harm is there. It is very little, some fever or anything. So now the body will get enough time to create antibodies. And so now the antibodies which are created, so there is a memory cell in our body. The antibody which was created will be saved in the memory cell in a specific cell, and after killing those virus which were weakened or dead, the antibodies will self-destruct itself because it will take energy from the body. So there is no use, so it will self-destruct. But the memory, but the how to make the procedure, how to make the antibody was saved in that memory cell. So now if a COVID-19 enters, or a healthy COVID-19 enters in our body, so now the body will easily recognize that virus and we can easily make antibodies. So now this was how zombie virus or any sort of virus can get into our body. So now let's talk, and we make a zombie virus. So yes, it is possible to make a mutant zombie virus. There are many mutations taking place in the nature. So our nature is creating many viruses every second. So many of these viruses are harmless, but for example COVID-19, so it was very harmful and it can be transmitted to humans. So if one person is there, only one, which is infected by a zombie virus, for example, I will take rabies. If one person is affected by rabies, so the person loses the control. First, only some sort of nausea and vomiting is there, and before the person understands that it is not nausea or any normal flu or influenza, it is too late, and that person loses the control over his body. And now the person will try to infect another person. It will try to bite or scratch, because that viruses can transmit by scratching nails and or biting. So the moment a person will bite another person, it will get transmitted, and that 2 to 4, 4 to 8, and it will continuously multiply and it will become uncontrollable, and it will be more dangerous if it can spread like influenza. So the new mutant of COVID-19 is also spreading through air. So if that zombie virus can also spread through air, so it will be a complete loss to mankind, global. It will be a global pandemic. So this was all for this video. Thank you friends for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and share my channel.